Come home soon, Dad.
He'll be home before you know it.
I hope so.
Tomorrow, bring your hero to school or a photo.
My dad is my hero. He's gonna be so surprised.
I've waited a long time for this moment.
Let's celebrate the heroes who inspire us.
My dad protects our country, and he's my biggest hero. I miss him every day. Thanks, sis. Ethan, I think someone wants to see you.
Dad? I've got you, buddy. I missed you so much.
You're finally home!
I'm never missing another hug. Welcome home.
Thank you!
Home is where my greatest mission begins.
I love you, Dad.